Let's take a look at the big news that's coming in about what our people around her who knew her have to say. India Today has accessed Radhika Yadav's WhatsApp conversation with one of her coach, a tennis coach, and it does reveal that there were some concerns. The deceased victim, Radhika Yadav, wanted to hereon live an independent life. Remember, she's an adult. She was about 25 years of age and clearly was perhaps planning to live as an independent life, wanted to explore further. Radhika appears to have mentioned to her tennis coach, "I want to enjoy life," and then said, "many restrictions at home." So this 25-year-old was clearly feeling that there were certain restrictions that were coming in from home. Now, whether this was from both the parents, specifically from the father, but eventually, nevertheless, that leading to a murder. Milan Sharma continues to be with us. Milan, I think this is a crucial bit when the court suggests that possibly she was facing certain issues, certain restrictions. Any details on that? What do we take away from this?
Well, absolutely, Pooja. As you just, put up on the broadcast that there are WhatsApp chats that have been accessed by India Today that clearly show how the girl wanted to travel abroad. She wanted to live an independent life for some time. So she said that China could have perhaps been an issue, but Dubai, is where her coach was. This WhatsApp chat is between her and her coach. And she does say clearly that if anything, within 1 or 2 months in October, November, December, I want to leave from here for some time. There are a lot of restrictions on my life and I want to enjoy my life because there are restrictions here. And I will speak to my father is the other point that she raises. I don't know that, whether I'll be able to convince him or not. These are the conversations. There are some audio messages that have also been shared with her coach. So, of course, there's been conversation that's been written that we are reading to you. And, of course, this is the basic concern that we are looking at right now, that she wanted to live an independent life. She wanted to step out, and this was something in her plans. She may have spoken to her father about this, but again, the one-day judicial custody questioning of the father will actually bring these points to light. Correct. Soon. But very crucially, these were the chats that have she's done these chats with her coach right before.
So perhaps she wanted to head out. Was there some concern about her going abroad out of the country for any training or any sort of exploration further? And remember, this is in the mind of a lot of youngsters. What looks like clearly a young achiever planning to further go ahead and become an influencer, and from a happy family, turned out to be such a gruesome murder.